Hi guys, today we are making peplum dress for 18-inch in size, so stay tuned and watch this tutorial.
You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox.
Hi guys, today we are making peplum dress for babies, which is about 18-inch and it is for 1.5 to 2 year girls baby. So let me describe you this pattern. This is a long bodice dress pattern which is can be downloadable from craftsy.com. The link is below given in the description, so you can download it from there. So let me describe you the basic measurements. So if you don't want to download this pattern, you can just note down these simple kind of measurements and just make it for your baby, which is about 1.5 to 2 years. So let me start with my work. This is my front piece and I am, as you can see, my total length is 12 inch. My chest is 5.5 inch. My shoulder is about 2.5 inch. My hip line is about 5.5 inch, which is equivalent to chest size. And now my waist is about 5 inch because we have some curvy kind of thing, or just fit it over the waist, that's why. Now let me map this pattern. As you can see, this is a front pattern, so it is a deep neck, and neck is about 2.5 inch in height and width. So you can draw it by yourself if you are making a custom pattern by yourself. Now I'm going to cut it out according to pattern size. This is my pure cotton fabric with the florals on it, the pink and the blue, and I'm going to make the peplum with the contrast color with a plain fabric, so it is give a very nice texture to the dress. And this peplum can be wear with the jeans or short. Now this is my back piece. I'm going to tell you the measurement and then I'm going to mark it and going to cut it in a fast way. Measurements are going to same as the front one, but I'm going to tell you again. As you can see, I am making 1.1 inch far away from the my back side, because it is going to have not a seam allowance, it is zipper or a buttonhole kind of thing if you need to install it. And I'm just mapping it. Only the difference from the front size at the back, we have 1 inch wider from the back side, so you can draw it as similar as I have. I have marked the notch over here, as you can see, for the just to fold it. We don't have a problem when we are going to fold it between the seam. So this is about my bodice. Now we are going to do as you can see, the bottom is 6 inch in white. Now we need to cut down our peplum, or you can say the skirt. This is my fabric, which is in a rectangular shape. Let me tell you what is the actual size of this fabric. This is a on fold on 11.5 inch and on the both height and width is equivalent, so it is not a square, it is a square. What I am going to do, I have just make it in a envelope kind of look. So this is basically 4 layers of fabric. We are making circle skirt kind of thing. So you can download our circle skirt pattern as well if you want a more clear version, but this is a simple thing, so you can make it by yourself as well. I have just, okay, let me bring the other pencil because it is not marking correctly. So I'm telling you the envelope kind of skirt, but let me explain you it again, that this is a double fold. Right now I have just made my fabric double fold and then fold it again. So this is basically a 2 folds we have used, and now it's become a square. So we basically need a square kind of square piece to make this shape. And now I have made the envelope or triangle, and now I'm going to mark the measurements, what I'm going to tell you. So we need a 3" on double fold because our width is 6" as you remember of the bottom, so that's why we have taken a 3". So just mark where you have made the 3" from the above side, 3 inches above side, and 3 inch from the width, and the height should be 3 inch. We need to make a small circle over here, so just go through for the same radius throughout 3 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch, and I'm doing the same thing. And we need a 6 inch in height, so that's why I have the final should be 5 inch, so I'm making it in a 6 inch because we need the same allowance from our side and from the bottom, and making it again in a circle shape, and taking a radius from 6 inch till the bottom from the our above point. Here you go, this is our peplum skirt look, and I'm going to show you that how I am going to attach it with my bodice and how I'm making my bodice. So this is how it will attach with our bodice. So let me start with sewing process. So we are starting with our sewing process. Now what we are going to do, firstly we are starting with our back side, means back bodice. Now I am going to install my zipper. You can see I have a white zipper over here, and I'm going to fold my 1 inch marked piece, as I have already told you. I have also made the notch and going to fold it like that, because so my zip would be higher from the back side, and zipper should be start from the upper side. I'm going to sew it from here, and both pieces will be joined from this point, and where our zipper start, I'm going to just having a seam line along with the zipper edges with my bodice. So we have already taught you this step so many times. I'm going to link the video as well for this, and I'm going to install the zipper, and then we'll show you how it looks like. Now guys, you can see that I have installed my zipper. If you want to know the quick zipper way, I'm going to upload it on Instagram of this quick video, so you can see it there as well, or just see my old video. Now what we are going to do, we are going to move on our peplum bias tape attachment at the bottom. So this is my circle, and this is very cute, you can see that. Now I'm going to tell you that this is my base tape, and you can find the link in the description for base tape making as well, and you can see the above thing, the pop-up over here just above the top. You can go from there as well in a cart. Now I am going to attach it at the peplum bottom or the circle, you can say that. So let me do it in a quick and fast way. So you can see that I am done with my bias tape attachment along with the bottom of this circular skirt, and as I have already told you, I have linked my video of bias tape in the description, so you can watch it from there as well. So now what we are going to do, we need to attach our bodice with the back bodice and front bodice from the shoulder. So I'm just going to seam a single seam along with the shoulder line. So we have attached with our shoulder. Now we need same peplum color bias tape here as well. So we need to attach it along with the neckline and with the armhole, because we are making it a sleeveless. That's why we are attaching the bias tape along with the neck and armhole, both armholes. So let me do it in a super quick fast way and give you a simple sleek result. So guys, as you can see, we have attached our bias tape along with the neckline and our armhole. You can see our old videos for this purpose. I'm going to link the video as well in the above icon. You can go to the link and just see it. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to attach or stitch our sides. So just simply sew the sides of both sides, the right and the left. Our side seam is done. I'm just reverting back it again from the facing, from the right side, and now this is our right side. Our bodice is ready. Now what we need to attach our peplum or circle skirt with our dress or our bodice. What we are going to do, we just need to make sure that our width is equivalent, so just need to have a single seam line along with the bottom hem of the dress and the upper side of the skirt. So guys, this is our final piece of work, Peplum Dress, which is for 18, which is about 18 inch in length, and it is for 1.5 to 2 years girl baby. It is a top and a dress as well, which can wear by baby with a jeans or a short or even a dapper pant, which anything you want to visible or looks awesome with your fabric. So this is all about it. We have did our zipper over here, attach a bias tape on the bottom and on the sleeves and neck as well, and then we have cut our simple circle skirt and we have attached with our bodice. So this is a simple and easy tutorial which I have also give you a basic measurement if you don't want to download the pattern and don't want to use it, so you can just follow the measurement according to it. And thank you so much for watching Momo Beginner. Keep visiting us, do subscribe us and share this tutorial as well. Thank you so much.
I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video and share this video as well. See you soon.